So guys, nandito tayo sa Calawag Mountain Resort at Barangay Tuno, Tibiao, Antique, Philippines. We are here, the beautiful place in Antique. You see that, guys? Here are the river here. Yan, no? There are so many people enjoy while we are eating beside the river. Yan, baba tayo. Natin guys, oh. Ganda, oh. Ganda. Ganda, oh. From Patnongon, Antique, about 1.5 hours bago mo marating ang lugar na to, pero sulit naman at napakaganda talaga, guys. Ganda, maganda. Ito, naayos namin ang aming location ng aming kakainan. Dito rin kami sa kakain sa ilog, kung saan dito sa tabi ng aming paliliguan dito. At mamaya later on ay doon kami sa Kawa. Merong Kawa na pupuntahan kami. Okay, this video is courtesy of BAMS 2.0. Hello guys. Ako, PR. The tree house here. Here are the Kawa. Nasa ka, yun. Yun. So guys, oh. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Ayan. These are so many Kawa here. Guys, oh. Kita nyo, oh. Mamaya dito tayo hihiga sa Kawa na ito. Big Kawa here. Oh. Yun. Yeah, ano? You know this guy? The vocalist of South Border, Luffy Harris. Okay, once again, this video is courtesy of BAMS 2.0. Okay guys, sign up muna ako. Mamaya ulit habang kumakain magbibideo ulit tayo. Once again, this video is courtesy of BAMS 2.0.